Good morning and Happy New Year. What a better way to celebrate start of the new year than to go for a ride. So here we are. Yeah, today's slightly different as well. So I got myself this baby. I also got myself a magnetic GoPro mount. Really great little gadget. Comes with 3 different adapters. One for the actual GoPro and chin mount, one for the tripod, and one for the top of the helmet, I believe. Yeah, so this is how easy it is to actually mount and dismount the GoPro now with this little gadget. Literally just put it on the side, twist, and done. Then to undo it, just press this little latch there, again twist, take it out. It also has a strong magnet, so kind of wants to stay in place even without doing it. So you can mount it this way if you want, but obviously that's not going to work. Feels quite sturdy, and it actually gives me the setup I want, kind of a chesty look. GoPro, if you're watching this, here's a suggestion for you: include this in the box. I've also slapped the latest GoPro Labs on the GoPro 12 that I just bought to get the best out of it. I've watched quite a few small channels where they've been testing with the GoPro 11, which is pretty much the same camera, with various different settings that GoPro Labs offers, and the footage is so much better than straight out of the camera. So just a word of warning, this is not your usual GoPro 12 mainstream channels review. So if you're looking for a blog sitting behind the desk with the pretty lights in the background, you've come to the wrong place. Oh my goodness me, kinda wet. Not a good start. So this drivetrain is really on its last legs. Add another Chainlink, which is probably going to be the 4th one now on this chain. See how it goes. Right, back in business half an hour later with a bit of messing about. So yeah, let's finally do what we need to do. Right, let's do the usual left, 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 left warm up run. Morning. Happy New Year. Ooh. Okay. Can I move this by myself? Bloody hell. I'm moving the whole fucking tree. Should get a medal for this. Seem to be doing a lot of trail maintenance lately. Oh dear. Right, that should do it. Different kind of riding today. Start with a mechanical, then bloody trees on the trail. There might be more, so we'll just try and take it easy. There's branches on the wrong fucking gear. Oh, this is dark. This is going to be a good test. A few puddles about, but generally good condition. Oh, this hole is getting bigger and bigger each time I ride it. It's a lot sleepier than last time, that's for sure, but not bad considering how much rain there was here over the last week. Yeah, quite sleepy. Not going to be bombing it down today. Oh, this is the right bog now. First trail done, quite a few trees down, managed to clear it all up. Thank me later. I'll review the footage quickly on the screen. I just want to check that the shutter speed is quick enough for this sort of dim trail conditions, and then we'll do off camber loamer or whatever it's called, left right. Yeah, I thought it looks good actually. I just need to point it down a little bit more so I can see more of the bike, but that's about it. Let's hope no more trees down. What am I doing? It's a long line for this trail anyway. Quite a few little branches about. Oh fuck. Not a good start of the year. Fucking hell. What am I doing? Oh dear. That was close. I'm gonna try and focus on the riding. Not bloody talking that much. He's more sleepy, definitely. Yeah, so that was actually quite scary. I was heading towards those trees and I just couldn't stop. Lost the control of the bike, and I was just picturing myself hitting one of those and having a big off. So a lot more sleepy than I thought, so I'm gonna try and take it easy. Yeah, this drivetrain is done. Chain keeps coming off now. Gonna have to do some maintenance in the week. Right, we'll do the main line next. There's this tricky bit which I keep messing up each time, so when I come to that section I'm gonna be paying attention and actually going slower than I did last time. It's this way. There's a few routes to cut you out, but if you maneuver around them, this is actually probably a better line. Still no, it's not yet. See ya. Yes. Yeah, just go slower. Oh, slippery road. Oh, my legs hurt now. Yeah, massive puddle at the bottom. Yes, that's actually not that bad. That was not a bad run. Managed to ride through this section that I normally struggle on without any sort of episodes again. I had to dab in one little section after, but generally conditions are more difficult than last time I've ridden. It's strange because the routes are actually not slippy, they look dry, but it's quite mushy and muddy. So you're just sliding all over. We'll do the right of the main line, which is that first steep roll. See what that's like. Okay, let's go. Yeah, you can tell this is like a lot more slippy and slidey. No problems here. Oh, this is more wet. Oh, fucking hell. And this is rooty as well. I need to wash myself. Oh. Oh. This one route. I mean, everyone's cooking it up. Watch Darren's video, he did exactly the same what I just did. And then you're forced to take the high line and you can't just turn around the tree. Here's another, yeah, your back always slides on that route. Really high line here. Oh. He said roads are not slick. These were actually quite slick. Oh, this is fucking slopefest. Does this actually take you anywhere? I've never ridden this line. Oh, it's the chicken line. I think, yeah. Okay, something I haven't done before. Well, I've done plenty of chicken lines, just not this one. That was a lot wetter than the other trails somehow. That trail is all about the line choice. Basically trying to go around this slippy routes. Today is also new brake pads day, so I've got the purple Golfer e-bike specific ones now. The race ones, the green ones, they didn't really last. I think they've lasted 2 rides, which was kind of expected. So see how long this will last. And a fun fact, Nappit and upper clip seems to be open now. Yay! Not really. Right, let's do Face Your Fears next. And then do the Gully, because as per my motto, if you're here and don't do the Gully, it's sacrilege. Ooh, slidey. I'm hoping those Gullies are not going to be slick. Like a boss. Yeah, that's a better line. Had to dab. Lost it a little. Oh, shame that I had to dab, because other than that it was a very clean run. Oh, I was meant to look at the drop. Yeah, I've seen Bod did it when they rode together with Darren. It looked composed, so might give it a go one day soon. I have to say, so far I'm loving this magnetic mount. So much more convenient. So if you fed up with doing and undoing this thumb screw, just get yourself one. I think it's 20 quid on Amazon. There's only one, but I'll put the link in the description so you can actually see it. But so far sturdy, the GoPro doesn't move a bit, and it's so easy to just take off. It's really convenient. Highly recommended. Let's do Gully next. No one's coming. This leaf looks lethal. Bumpy. I'm gonna avoid the puddles, don't want to get wet. Oh, someone did some mud here. I'm gonna do one of the Gillis trail at the very end to avoid the slopfest, which is that fire road after the felling. So yeah, I'll go to the lower cliff slightly different way. This is a bit flatter, so it might be quite wet. We'll find out soon enough. Some puddles about. Predicted, yeah, quite wet. And some hang on, let's just do a little bit more trail maintenance. Really could have just happily ridden over that, but why not? Why not just do one little bit? I haven't done any digging. I really want to do some digging. I'll try to get Lee to come with me one day and we'll do some digging. Probably on the Sherbrooke side. Oh, that was quite low. Hit the bush guard. Oh, that was fucking deep. Oh, this is sloppy. This is probably not the trail for this kind of weather. Massive puddles and slop just ruined the trail. Really riding it. Just a little bit of elevation made such a difference. Those other trails in comparison, they were dry. And this is not bad, but okay, now almost lost it in a simple section. Just keep braking with the front brake. Whoa! I wasn't even braking there. Just went sideways. Oh bloody hell! That was sleepy. Lower cliff next. Right, let's do this new one of Lower Cliff. Well, when I say new one, new to me. This is actually why it pays off to watch other channels, especially the small ones. You can pick up little gems like this. I think Darren had a crash on it, so I'm gonna go slow. I don't think these are very well ridden. We'll see what this is about. Quite steep as expected. Oh, oh, fuck you now. Yeah, I see why he fucking crashed here. Probably just can't tell, but this is fucking slick. Oh, I can't walk up. Bloody hell. So you're better off taking this route to go down. Well, the main question is, can I actually get on the bike? Which way is better? There is no better way. Just go down. You obviously can't tell how steep this is. It's not even that steep, it's just slidey. And you're just heading straight into that tree from there. So you're actually just better off going into this, I think. and then yeah, he just guides you back down. Yeah, good line. Need to do it when it's a bit more dry. Right, no dub challenge time, I think. Right, we're on Lower Cliff now. Quite a nice day, to be honest. A few riders about. I was thinking it's going to be pretty empty. Unfortunately, it's going to be a wash day today again. Makes absolutely filthy. Just go do a roll. See how this looks in terms of distortion. Right, I think no dub challenge. Then that other line of Lower Cliff, and I'm gonna call it a day. It was meant to be a short ride. Turns out to be quite a long one actually, with all the mechanicals and crashes and trees on trails, etc. So let's crack on with it. Yeah, today a casual approach. I'm not gonna attempt any PBs or world records. Just try and get down in one piece. It's the goal. Had to dab. No, that challenge failure today. So we'll do this line next, and then go home time. Right, I always do the right leg of this trail, so let's do the left leg this time. Clip the tree. Leave that fucking front brake alone. Mr. Squirrel. Cook that one up. Lost in the wrong fucking place. Or I'll do one more from the up cliff to avoid all of this crappy shit. Okay, so last climb of the day, just to show how muddy this actually got. This was pretty dry, and the number of rides we've done here with Lee and other people, it's a bit long-winded way to get to upper cliff and avoids the muck. Right, let's do this straight to finish the video off. Oh, there's some work done on this. This is really an XC trail, nothing too exciting. It's quite slippy actually. Some work done, yeah, on this. Nice. Oh, had to dab. It's quite slick. Quite a good trail actually. Never ride this. I was thinking of a different one, I think. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna try and put a side-by-side comparison between GoPro 7 Black and GoPro 12 footage of the same trail at the end, if I can be bothered, and maybe add some commentary to this as well, just to compare the results. Again, Happy New Year. Hope you had a great night last night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.